My name is Ben with Empower Gaming Computers. As a system builder, I build with a lot of different components and started doing these reviews to help other builders get a full, honest, detailed review of components to help them make an educated decision for their purchases. Today, we are reviewing the Spectra RGB SE 3-in-1 kit by BitFenix. The Spectra RGB 3-in-1 kit includes 3 120mm addressable RGB case fans, 1 RGB fan controller, and a wireless remote along with the mounting screws and additional cables to sync the addressable RGB hub to the motherboard if desired. The kit is available in white and black colors and can be purchased for around $29 each from Newegg.com. The link can be found down below in the description of this video. It also appears to be available on Amazon at times, but most of the time that we've checked, it's out of stock. First off, one of my favorite things about this kit is it uses the 5-volt 3-pin addressable RGB header as its standard, without the use of a proprietary connection, which makes it easy to mix these fans with other brands using the same universal connection type. The addressable RGB connections and the 3-pin fan connections from the fans offer a daisy connection if needed, making it simple to connect devices further away from the hub if needed. Next is the controller hub, which offers up to 7 addressable RGB 5-volt 3-pin connections and also up to 6 3-pin fan headers, offering plenty of space for additional fans and addressable RGB connections to the single hub. The hub uses one SATA power connection connected directly to the power supply. The hub can be controlled by either the included remote or the connection from the hub to the motherboard, giving the ability to sync your motherboard RGB software if you have the 5-volt 3-pin addressable RGB header on your motherboard. The remote offers many different addressable RGB modes and colors, as well as fan speed using DC-controlled methods. The addressable RGB is bright, smooth, and responsive, providing a nice flair to any PC you are building. If you're trying to spice up your existing build, these will definitely add a little flavor while also completing its main purpose of cooling. The 120mm fans themselves spin up to 1200 RPM, plus or minus 10%, and offer an airflow of 33.2 CFM, while keeping the noise down to 24.4 decibels, all spinning on hydro-type bearings, making the life of the fans better than your cheaper sleeve or ball bearing types. The fans are 120 by 120 by 25mm, which is standard for most 120mm case fans. The lack of PWM support from both the fans and the hub is our largest disappointment, as PWM is a standard for today's gaming PCs. At least, that is our standard when building. The build quality also falls slightly short, as the fans are made with a cheaper plastic, but will still get the job done regardless. Overall, we would give this BitFenix Spectra ARGB SE kit 3-in-1 a 4 out of 5 stars. The biggest thing that keeps us from using them is the lack of PWM support from the fans and the hub. For the price, this set would get the job done and is definitely an option for anyone looking for budget-friendly case fans that also include a little flair for their new existing build. Thank you for checking out this review. If there are any other PC components you would like us to review, please feel free to drop a comment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and happy building, my friends.